Hey guys, it's Bryn with RVLock. Welcome back. Today we're installing the keyless baggage entry door system. Because there are so many different door styles, we first need to make sure that yours is compatible with ours. So let's check some compatibility. Let's begin with common styles that are not compatible. Although the outside portion looks good, the interior proves that it will not work because the latch is built onto the back portion of the door. This is the case with any style, no matter how it's mounted onto the door. Other common styles we see that do not work have an oblong shape on the back portion. The RVLock keyless baggage only works with back portions that are in a square or rectangular shape. Let's check out the most compatible style with our RVLock. The front portion looks similar, but here you can tell that the back portion is just a back plate. All interior mechanisms are placed within the door frame. If you were to remove the screws, the only thing that would detach is that back plate. And that's how you know it will be compatible with the RVLock. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support team before attempting to install the keyless baggage. Confirm compatibility and let's move on to the installation. Using a power tool, you'll want to drill out any existing rivets from the current back plate. Next, you will remove the 4 screws that are holding the plate into place. You will no longer need this hardware, so you can set it off to the side. Pull the plate away slowly to prevent losing any component. Because the latch is inserted through the door frame, you will carefully angle and pull out the front portion. Now let's get the new RVLock slid in. You'll receive 2 different back plates in which you need to decide which one goes with your door thickness. If your door is more than 3/4 of an inch thick, you will use the smaller component. However, if your door is thinner, you will want the larger one to make up the difference for the door space. Slowly slide the front portion into the door frame, feeding the cable through the hole in the door and making sure not to pinch it. Selecting the proper back portion, we will pop out the covering component that blocks where the cable will feed through. Plug in the battery pack with a firm press. From here, we will carefully fold in the cables to prevent any sort of pinching and align the battery pack to the back portion. Using the 4 screws provided for you, install connecting the battery pack through the back portion to the front. You may need to slide the entire component upwards to get the screws to align properly to the mount. We have provided a new door jam plate for you if you would like to replace yours. The adjustable screw mounts will allow you to slide the plate out so the door frame can catch the latch easier. Now moving on to the programming. First, remove the battery pull tab to reboot the power. The fob remote provides customizable programming options. Both sets must be programmed individually, so if you'd like, you can connect the baggage handle to both sets of buttons, or you can connect your entry door to one and the baggage handle to the other. Make sure the switch is in the on position anytime you'd like to use the fob. To sync it up to the handle, take a pen and do 1 quick press to the learn button. You will then press the lock symbol on the set of buttons that you are wanting to connect it to. If you want to connect it to both sets of buttons, you'll repeat the process. 1 quick press with your pen, and then pressing the lock symbol on the second set of buttons you want to connect it to. To reset any connection with the remotes, you will press and hold the learn button for 10 to 30 seconds until it wipes the memory clear. To set up a new code, you will press and hold the code reset button for 10 to 30 seconds. This will open the programming window and allow you to follow the prompts from the handle. Start by typing in your new code and pressing the lock symbol. And then we'll do it again. Type in your new code and press lock. You will receive a confirmation chime, and you can test out the lock from this point. When the baggage handle is locked into place, you will not be able to open the paddle. Once it's unlocked, you will have full mobility to unlatch the paddle and open the door. The quick lock feature allows you to press and hold the lock symbol without needing to type in a code previously. To silence the handle or turn up the volume, you can press and hold the number 1, which will then guide you through the mute, high, medium, and low sound settings. Great work. Everything is installed and programmed. If you have any questions at all, reach out to our support team and they'd be happy to help you. We'll see you on the road.